Hello friends, welcome to Meme Square's first how to video. In this video you will learn how to access TikTok even though it is banned in India. Before we start, just a gentle reminder, this is purely for information purpose only. Now I'm sure there are many die-hard TikTok fans out there who really miss TikTok right now. The first step is to search for VPN in Play Store. I'm going to go for Turbo VPN. Let's wait for it to get installed. Now, after installing the app, open it and click I agree. Now click tap to connect and wait for the VPN to connect. Now once it gets connected, open Chrome or any other desired browser. To be in safer side, I'm going into incognito mode and search for TikTok. Now open the TikTok web page and click watch now in the corner of the page. You can see the normal interface that you use in TikTok app. Since you're using a VPN, the speed will be pretty much slow, but still you can watch videos. And if you want, you can still log into your account and get back all those videos that you published in TikTok app. Log in using any of the options given, with which you used to log in into the TikTok app, and there you go. This is how we can use TikTok.